We are installing 200 LPH heat pump water heater with 1000 liter storage in this building. Instead of single 1000 liters tank, we are giving 500 liters tanks, two numbers. It is easy to transport, easy to lift, easy for maintenance. It's a glass line tank with 5 years warranty, suitable for hard water areas also. 2-ton heat pump means 200 liter per hour heating capacity. It can heat this entire 1000 liter in 4 to 5 hours. This will supply hot water to around 35 to 40 members at a time. Instead of this heat pump, if we connect 10 numbers of electrical geyser, that will draw 20 kilowatt of power, whereas this heat pump will consume only 2 kilowatt power. Any enquiry, please call us.